Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play arm wrestling in Roblox. First, you will need to launch the Roblox application and search for an arm wrestling simulator game. Once you have found a suitable game, join it and look for the arm wrestling tables. These are usually clearly marked. Familiarize yourself with the on-screen interface, which typically displays your current strength, wins, and other important statistics. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start. To become a formidable arm wrestler, you must focus on building your character's strength. Most games require you to click or tap your screen repeatedly to gain strength points. The more strength you accumulate, the better your chances of winning matches against other players or non-player characters. Explore the game map for dedicated training zones or special equipment that can accelerate your strength-building process, making you stronger faster. Once you feel strong enough, it is time to challenge an opponent. Walk up to an arm wrestling table and interact with it to initiate a match, either against another player or an in-game character. A brief countdown will typically precede the start of the match. During the match, you must click or tap as quickly as possible. Your goal is to overpower your opponent by pushing their arm down to the table, securing a victory. Winning arm wrestling matches is not just about bragging rights. It also earns you valuable in-game currency and other rewards. You can use this currency to purchase various upgrades, such as powerful pets that provide strength multipliers, unique auras, or advanced training equipment. These enhancements are vital for progressing further in the game, allowing you to challenge even stronger opponents and climb the leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.